but the area of its white
figure.
figure.
What's this?
Figure.
Okay, find the area, Axel. What's this?
Area.
Okay, what will you do?
Area.
Oh,
10.
count it.
10.
Okay, count it first. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, 10. How many? 10?
Just.
You
Use.
knit.
Niche.
What's this?
No niche.
What's this?
10.
10. Why is your 0 a bit different? Okay, find the area of this one. Count it.
1,
Count it.
2,
Count it.
2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 9. 9.
9.
9. Unit.
Unit.
What's this?
Unit.
What's this?
Area.
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 What's this?
Area.
What's this?
Area.
What's this?
Figure.
Figure. What's this?
Figure.
What's this? Unit.
Unit.
Okay, find the area there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12.
12.
Unit.
Very good. How about this one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
Use this.
Unit.
Unit.
How about this one? Find the area.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Yama.
Count again. How many?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 10.
No, 10. 10. What's that?
What's this?
What's this?
This is
Unit.
unit.
What's this?
Unit.
Okay, how many? What? Find the area.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yama.
11.
Unit.
Units. What's this?
Area.
Area. What's this?
Area.
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 What's this?
Figure.
Figure. What's this?
Unit.
Unit. Unit. Okay, what did you do? You did the area. Okay, you found the area.